Hi guys, welcome to a new episode on how to pass the PCEP test. In this video, we'll be covering the second half of the third part of the PCEP test. The topics we'll be covering are while and for loops and break and continue statements. Let's get started. So first, let's make I equals 1 a variable. Then a while loop, while, only works if the condition is true. If I equals 1, then print Gen Z. So this will make an infinite loop right there, you see this here, because the statement is true. To prevent the while loop, we can use the break statement, break. So once it does that, it breaks the loop, and then we can also use the continue statement to continue the loop, so there'll be no breaks. Alright, so you can also use this like this, where I is less than 5, then I equals I plus 1, and then let's use the continue statement, so the loop continues. When you run this, it'll print out Gen Z developers only 4 times, because if it's 1, the statement is true, it goes here, I becomes 2 now. The condition is still true, it goes to 3, condition is still true, goes to 4, the condition is still true, but when it goes to 5, it's equals 5. So it stops the program there. Okay, that's a basic explanation on what a while loop is. Now let's do a for loop. So we can use a string here. It's easier for me to represent something. Let's say Gen Z developers. So let's say for. You can make another name for it. Let's say for letter, any name, in I. Then we can print letter. All right. Print letter, there you go, Gen Z developers. And then maybe we can make a if statement like this. We can use the break. If letter equals, let's say, what's a letter there? E. Oh, let's say D. No, P. Then we want to break the loop. All right. Then else, just print the letter and continue the program. Don't forget your colons. When you run this program, it will only print out Gen Z develop, no pairs, because when it went to P, it broke the loop. But if it's any other letter, it continued the loop. So those are the basic explanations on while and for loops, and also break and continue statements. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay curious.